Waking up on Amelia Island is like a fairy tale, where you drift through the whole day doing dreamy things, like horseback riding on the beach. This barrier island in northeastern Florida offers 13 miles of pristine coastline to enjoy and a cool Atlantic sea breeze. Overnights in spectacular locations and scrumptious dining in heavenly spots like the Elizabeth Point Lodge, a boutique oceanfront hotel, will spoil you with hours of relaxation along the shoreline. Nearby award-winning resorts like the Amelia Island Plantation offer enough activity to keep you on your game. And for a reward, a 5-diamond culinary experience at the Ritz-Carlton Amelia Island's Salt Restaurant. Shopping in charming downtown Fernandina Beach is sweet and sparkly. It's brimming with specialty boutiques, trendy dining, and beautiful architecture. 50 blocks, in fact, make up the picturesque historic district. Nearby, Fort Clinch State Park offers scenic views and living Civil War history. And of course, there are the old oaks, dripping with Spanish moss, the salty air, and the salty locals.
Come see us at Amelia Island
And set sail on a dreamy Florida getaway.